Morning. Today's class is the last class of for trigonometry chapter. So we'll continue with the fourth problem. This is show that 1 minus tan square a divided by cot square a minus 1. 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. You have to prove this is equals to tan square a. Okay. See, whatever method you can, if you want, you can use that method. 1 minus tan square a, it is the second identity. In second identity, secant square a minus tan square a is equals to 1. It is second identity. Okay. So here 1 minus tan square a is there. So what formula you can apply? 1 minus tan square a, you won't get it. 1 plus tan square a will get it. So first try to 1 minus tan square a, you can write as sin square a by cos square a. And here cot square a, you can write as cos square a by sin square a minus 1 as it is. This is like 1 minus 2 by 3. If you know this simplification, this 1 minus sin square a by cos square a is easy. If you don't know this one, you won't understand this one. Okay. Better how to solve this one, we'll say it. 1 means 1 by 1. LCM is 3. 1 table you should read up to your, you have to get LCM 3. 1 table, how many times it will go? 3 times. This 3 I am writing here, and its numerator is 1. 3 into 1. This symbol as it is you have to write. Here how you performed, here also have to perform same. Here 1 table you read, now you are reading 3 table. Up to where LCM has to come. 3 table if you read, when it will come 3 means 1 time. 3 how many times will go? 1 time. This 1 I am writing here into its numerator 2. This is called LCM. This, if you understand and you can do with your own, you can do these problems. Otherwise, you can't do trigonometry. Okay. So, here how we performed, here also I am doing same thing. This 1 means I am writing 1. Here also 1. So, in numerator LCM for 1 and cos square a is cos square a. 1 how many times will go means cos square a times. Into 1 means cos square a only. Cos square a how many times will go? 1 time. 1 into sin square a is sin square a. This symbol I written here, and LCM for denominator sin square a and 1. LCM is sin square a, and here you are getting cos square a minus sin square a. Here numerator is having one fraction, denominator is having another fraction. This denominator you can take to numerator. How means this ratio will be reversed. So I have to write cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a as it is, into I have to keep, this divided by becomes into, and this fraction should be reversed. Means you are getting sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. This cos square a minus sin square a, this cos square a minus sin square a will be cancelled, and you have sin square a by cos square a. Its value is tan square a. This is RHS, you have to prove this one. So, nothing else, see, no need of using this formula. We done like this. By using formula also, another method maybe, you can try for another methods also. Now we will go for 7th question. The 7th question, what it is prove that sin a plus cosecant a whole square. Sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. These all are essay questions. 100% you will get in your 10th class annual examinations. First, show that this problem is only show that. Means what you have to do? You have to take LHS and you have to simplify this entire, and at last you have to get the RHS. Now I am taking what? LHS. LHS is this much only. Okay, I am taking this one. So after taking this, what you have to do? Sin A as it is I am writing. Cosecant A, how I can write? 1 by sin A I can write it. Whole square plus cos A plus 1 by cos A whole square. Secant A is reciprocal of cos. So secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. This, if you are saying it is like A plus B whole square. In place of A, sin A is there. In place of B, 1 by sin A is there. So if you apply formula A plus B whole square formula, A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is A, it is B. A square means what I have to write? Sin A. Whole square means you can write sin square A. It is A square plus 2A. B means what here? 1 by sin A. B square. B square means 1 by sin A whole square. For 1 square, if you done also 1 only, sin A if you do square, it becomes a sin square A. So you can write 1 by sin square A. How you done here? Same you can do here also, but in place of sin A you have cos A. So you are getting cos square A. 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. 1 by cos square A. Now sin A is there in the numerator, into is there, sin A is there in the denominator. Cos A is there, cos A is there. You can cancel it. And here sin square A is there, here cos square A is there. These two if you add, you are getting 1. Already here plus 2 is there, and here one more plus 2 is there. Now what is remainder? 1 by sin square A plus 1 by cos square A is remainder. Now what you have to do? 1 plus 2 plus 2, these three are numbers, you can add it. It is 5 plus 1 by sin square A is cosecant square A. Reciprocal of sin is cosecant. 1 by cos square A, secant square A. Now identities. So I said identities for you. Second identity, if I am taking cosecant square A is minus cot square A is equals to 1, and secant square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. It is second, it is third, or two identities I took it. Now cosecant square A, if I make it as subject, this minus cot square A is going to that side. So minus cot square A is going to that side means it becomes 1 plus cot square A or not. So in place of cosecant square A, I can write 1 plus cot square A. Similarly, how you written like this only, I am taking this identity, secant square A I have to make a subject, minus tan square A I am sending to that side. 1 plus tan square A. Now numbers are 5 plus 1 plus 1. How much it is? 7. Plus tan square A plus cot square A. It is nothing but RHS. You have to prove this only. Okay. So try it. Maximum how many times you are doing the problem. Each and every problem do 3, 4, 5 times. And always do new problems. Always do new problems. So that how you have to apply, you will get it. And last problem I will say.
that is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Then prove that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. It is one important problem. It is also a lengthy problem. Okay. So how you have to do it, we'll see it. So cosecant and cot. In terms of cosecant and cot, one identity. What is that? Very good. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. By seeing this, it is in the form of a square minus b square or not? So formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This I written here, a square minus b square, I written the form of a plus b into a minus b. This is equal to same, this one also same only. This identity I took it, that's it. Now in question, in place of cosecant theta plus cot theta, what I can write? K. So inside this brackets you can write k into, what is remained? Cosecant theta minus cot theta is remained, is equal to 1. K is multiplying this entire or not? Bring k to that side. Then you will get cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. So it is second equation, equation number 2. Here, see, in 9th class, solving will be there. That is, x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equals to 1. Find xy. This, it has to be understood means, you should have basic of this one. Every problem, directly problem, no one can understand. If I am saying this problem for 3rd class student, he can't understand. And he will say that I am not understanding trigonometry. Because of, he doesn't know fundamentals, basics. So, to solve this one, you should know this one. So, what you have to do? Addition. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. X is equal to 3. X3 means if you substitute x3 in this one, y is equal to 2. So, this is solving you have to do here. That is how you have to do, we'll see it. Now, same. First equation, second equation, if I am adding, add 1 and 2. That is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. If I add these two, plus cot theta minus cot theta will be cancelled. And I am getting 2 cosecant theta is equals to k plus 1 by k. This LCM always I won't say. Already you are well known about it. I am writing directly. It is 2 cosecant theta. This 2 also I am taking to this side. 2k. It is equation number 3. Okay, this you do with your own. Next, 1 minus 2 if I do it. Here I am adding these two. Now what I have to do? I have to do subtraction. Okay, I will write here. If I do subtraction, what I will get it is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by k. What I am doing? Subtraction. 1 minus 2 I am doing it. Symbols will be changed. These two will be cancelled. 2 cot theta is equals to k minus 1 by k. If I make cot theta as subject, k square minus 1 by 2k. It is fourth equation. It is third, it is fourth. By using this third and fourth, we can find the value of cos theta. How we have to do it? We'll see. 4 divided by 3. Fourth equation I am dividing with the third equation. Fourth equation LHS is cot theta. Third equation LHS is cosecant theta. This is divide by symbol. Fourth equation RHS is k square minus 1 by 2k. Third equation RHS is k square plus 1 by 2k. This, if you understand, the problem is completed. Next, what you have to do? I said already, convert into sines and cos. Cot theta in terms of sin and cos means cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta in terms of sin means 1 by sin theta. Here k square minus 1 by 2k into this here only is reversing 2k by k square plus 1. 2k cancelled. Here 1 by sin theta, if it is going to here, it becomes sin theta by 1. So sin theta also will be cancelled. And what you got, cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This you have to prove it. We proved same, isn't it? So this chapter is completed. In next class we will continue with a new chapter. Don't miss it.